Hi everyone, I'm Gaurav Pitch and I'm a program manager in Azure Data Factory team. Today we want to talk about advanced analytics and one of the services that is available under advanced analytics, which is Azure Data Factory. So I wanted to explain Azure Data Factory by using an analogy of manufacturing sector, where basically you have your assembly lines and those assembly lines are taking in raw goods and producing finished goods. So think of Azure Data Factory where the raw goods are the sources of data for Azure Data Factory, and those sources of data can either be on-premise or they could be on cloud, right? And then your assembly lines are pipelines in Azure Data Factory that takes that data, do the processing, and then you are actually moving that data again to your sinks, which could again be your on-premise or your Azure environment, right? And then you are actually consuming that data in your BI apps. So this entire workflow, you can do that using Azure Data Factory. And I'm going to walk you through an example today. So recently Microsoft launched a very viral campaign where they actually came up with a very simple app which predicts your app. So on your screen you're seeing Brad Pitt and we are just predicting his age, which is showing it as 45 years old, right? So this thing, the data, the number of users who are coming in at any given point of time or using this app, this data is going to a cheap form of storage in Azure, which is blob storage. So now we want to do some analysis on top of that data, and we're going to use Azure Data Factory for that, right? So what I have done is that I have gone and built a very simple factory in Azure Data Factory that allows you to do this processing, right? And we're going to do that by looking at the diagram view. So this diagram view allows you to see the operational analytics of your pipeline. So in this particular data factory, we are taking the raw data, the phase demo data, we are partitioning that data by date and time, and then we are doing a bunch of analysis, which is different Hive queries that we are running to determine events per day, events by platform, events by location, and by browser. And then we have that data that we are moving to a SQL Azure database, right? So once this data is in the SQL Azure database, you could actually build a Power BI dashboard just like this, which can consume that data and showcase that in different forms. Again, my name is Gaurav Pitch, and if you wanted to know any more information about Azure Data Factory, please come to my booth at Advanced Analytics. Thank you.